Estimate the following by estimating each mixed numeral as a whole number or as a mixed numeral where the fractional part is 1/2, and each fraction as 0, 1/2, or 1. We're to estimate this expression here. Copying that down on another piece of paper, we'll look at each number separately. We first have a mixed numeral, 43 and 15/31. Well, 15/31, 15 is close to half of 31, so this is close to a half. So we would estimate this as 43 and 1/2 times, our next mixed numeral is 27 and 5/6. 5/6 is close to 1 because 5 is close to 6, so that's close to 27 plus 1, or 28, minus 9 and 15/28. 15 is, twice 15 is 30, so 15 is close to half of 28, so 15/28 is close to a half. So we have 9 and 1/2 plus, and then we have 6 and 5/76. Now 5 compared to 76 is very small. It's really not even close to half of it. So we would estimate 5/76 as 0. Now the whole thing isn't 0, it's 6 plus 0, or 6. Now that's the estimation step, and then we can go do the calculations. To multiply here, we're going to have to change 43.5 to a fraction. We multiply 43 times 2 and add 1, and we have 87/2 times 28 minus 9 and 1/2 plus 6. Now we have 87 times, you can think of that as 28/1, so we would have 87 times 28/2 times 1. And we're going to do this multiplication first as we work through, so we'll copy the rest of the problem. Now, 28 is 2 times 14, so we can write this as 87 times 2 times 14 all over 2. Copy the rest of the problem. And now we can cancel the 2 because 2/2 equals 1. We're removing a factor of 1, and we have 87 times 14, which is 1,218 minus 9 and 1/2 plus 6. Now 1,218 minus 9 and 1/2, we need to subtract this next, and we need to subtract the half. So I'm going to write this on another piece of paper to give more room. It's 1,218 minus 9 and 1/2 plus 6. This is 1,217 plus 1, and I'll write that as 2/2. So that's the same thing as 1,218 plus 9 and 1/2 plus, minus 9 and 1/2 plus 6. And when I do the subtraction, I have 1,217 minus 9, which gives me 1,208, and then 2/2 minus 1/2, which gives me 1/2, plus 6. Adding 1,208 and 6, I have 1,214 and a half as an estimate.